welcome back. So today we are going to make fried rice, but instead of a traditional fried rice, we are going to use cauliflower. This is a perfect recipe for if you have leftover vegetables in the fridge. You can just throw them in with some rice or cauliflower in this case, and then cook it. I mean, it's a perfect easy dish for any time you need a meal and a snap. You ready to get cooking?
Yes, let's do it.
All right, let's get to it. To start off, we're going to cut the bottom of the head of cauliflower out so that we're only left with the good stuff. Then we're going to chop this like a loaf of bread into cauliflower pieces of toast. Then rotating and cutting again to turn that toast into French toast sticks. Once we have our French toast sticks, we're going to chop them all up like crazy, creating a giant mess. The bigger the mess, the more fun you get to have later cleaning it up. And who doesn't like cleaning up cauliflower? Then we're going to attempt to look cool by scooping this up with our knife, only to get about half of it into the bowl and the rest on the counter. Then we're going to try to take the more practical approach by scooping this cauliflower up with our hands, and then yet to still get it on the counter. Next, we're going to peel our carrots and then chop off either end. Then we're going to chop our carrots into little round circles. Next, we're going to take a white onion and slice it and dice it into little tiny cubes. Then we're going to take a frozen ginger root, peel the outside, and then grate it. You will want to make sure that it is good and frozen to ensure that you are able to grate it without it turning to mush. Now we are ready to cook this masterpiece. To start, we're going to oil the pan with some olive oil, add in our overflowing bowl of cauliflower, spilling only a little this time, add a cup of water, our grated ginger root, add about a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Be careful not to go crazy with this stuff, it's really strong and could overpower all the other flavors, leaving you with just a cauliflower rice that basically just tastes like sesame seed oil. Not great. Then we're going to add about a cup of peas. These can be frozen or cooked peas, doesn't really matter. Then we're going to slam a bowl full of carrots to ensure that we miss a few in the pan so that we can revisit our fond memory of cleaning. Then we're going to add about half of the onion that we chopped earlier. And then we're going to let this sit on the stove to cook for a bit, stirring on occasion. Once it's cooked down, we're going to add some Thai seasoning. Ingredients to that is down below in the description. Then we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then we're going to let this cook until the carrots and cauliflower are soft, but yet still firm. We want to be able to stick a fork in the cauliflower and the carrots with ease, but not have it cook so much that it slides right off the fork. Once we are at this stage, we're going to make a little hole in the center of the pan in which we will crack our eggs into. Then beat the eggs in the center so that we can mix it with the other ingredients. Once the eggs are beat, then stir in all the other ingredients to make sure that they are coated with eggs. Once the eggs are cooked, you are left with something like this. Alright, so there we have it. We have our cauliflower fried rice. Ready to taste it?
Yeah.
Alright, dig in.
Looks good.
Make sure you get every essence of it. It is good.
That'll satisfy any fast food Chinese craving you have.
Yeah, that will. It is really good. Everything is coming through. I mean, it's perfect.
I mean, I like the carrots and peas, but you can add any vegetables you want. Or meat or shrimp or chicken, you know, whatever you want. Satisfy your Chinese takeout. But easy at home.
Yeah, you can, like she said, you can add anything. I mean, just take whatever you have in the fridge, and just dump it in, really. I mean, you can add mushrooms, you can add, I don't know, you can basically add anything.
Yeah.
So, alright.
Green onions would be good too.
That would be, yeah. On top.
Yeah.
Just to garnish it off, make it look polished and neat. Alright, well, if you like this video, please hit that like button down below. If you want to see more videos like it, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Thanks for watching.